This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by turning on transcripts in the app or uploading the voice file now. Choose the spoken language, accuracy setting, and expected speaker count so processing is optimized. Make sure you select local processing if confidentiality matters, or encrypted cloud if you need scalability and backups. Once started, monitor progress and keep the original audio. It's your fallback. This initial configuration determines transcription quality and workflow compatibility. So set these options deliberately before moving to cleanup and analysis. Once you have a raw transcript, clean it. Remove ums and ahs, restore punctuation, and fix capitalization so the text reads naturally. Then assign speaker labels and add timestamps every 15-30 seconds to enable quick reference. This helps when you need quotes or action items. Use the app search and highlight tools to tag decisions, dates, or numbers, and add annotations for context. Make sure you export a backup before major edits, because edits are irreversible in some tools. Finalize by exporting the transcript in the format you need: TXT for quick edits, DocX for collaboration, SRT for captions, or searchable PDF for archiving. Then paste summaries and action items into your notes, CRM, or project board so tasks are visible. Share a trimmed excerpt with timestamps for quick review. If the transcript has low accuracy, rerun with noise reduction, higher accuracy settings, or manually correct critical sections. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.